How to swap rows in Excel. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily swap rows in Microsoft Excel. As you guys can see here, I have 5 rows here in different colors, so it's easy to distinguish between them. So if you want to swap rows, there are quite a few things that you can do. The first one is you can just select the entire row by clicking on the left side of this row tab. Let's say if I want to move this row 1 to all the way to the bottom on row 5, and I want to move the row 5 up to row 1, what I'm going to do is hover my cursor on the border of the row until this cross arrow appears. And once the 4 arrows appear on the 4 direction, once this cursor appears, you can just click on it and then drag the row where you want to drop it. You can drop it in the middle of the table or at the bottom. Let's just move it at the bottom for now. And if you want to move the row 5 up top, you do the same thing. Click on it and then move it up top like this. Now you have this blank row. You can either delete this or you can just move your row 1 up right here. So you can just move it like this. Now the other thing that you can do is cut the row. So just select the row, right click on it, and then click on cut, or use the shortcut on the keyboard Ctrl+X. And this dotted line will appear across the row. Now all you have to do is select where you want to paste it. Let's say if I want to paste this right here on third row, I can select this and then go to insert. And once you get here, you can insert the cut cells. So click on it and it will automatically insert the cut cell right here. That's how you can swap rows on Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.